Hello and welcome. We have another bird update video for you, and yeah, I'm looking at the new improved nest. They fortified the nest up there, but you'll see as the video goes on. There's not much in the beginning of just some movement in the nest from about a week or so ago, like 2 weeks ago now. And so a little bit of movement is the first clip you're going to see, and then you'll see the babies out of the nest. And yeah, so it was filmed the 6th and the 7th of June. No, the 7th and the 8th of June. Jeez, whatever. And then at the end, we will see that mom and dad bird came back. They are going to be hatching more eggs. So I've been kind of watching every day to see. Mama and Dada have been going back and forth all morning. Again, it's the afternoon now, but this morning they were going back and forth, and I think Daddy's up on the roof right now. I think that's him. But yeah, so they're getting ready to lay some more eggs and have some more little babies, and I'm super excited about this. There's one of the babies. And Miko, shut up. And I saw another baby pop in, so I think there's only two, because the other baby was out here too. This is the first time I've seen them out of the nest. Mama's been up there a couple of times, so maybe they're going to be leaving the nest soon. There's Mama on the roof, and now she's down here on the fence. She's gonna go up to her babies in a moment, because she heard them calling. Okay, so I just looked through the binoculars and I saw 3 little heads in there. And they're all coming out there right to the edge. I don't know, is this the day that they fly away? The vantage point is much better from the yard down here. Look at that little one. Look at that little one. I don't know how easy he is to see. He's pretty well camouflaged, but so cute. You getting curious, huh? saw another little head pop out of there. You look like you're ready to fly, baby. At the very least, leave the nest. Yeah, I think you're ready. Alright, I'll get out of the yard now so your parents can come back. Oh, you're so cute. And just like that, Mama came back. She's feeding them.
Yeah, that's cute.
It's really hard to see from this angle on the porch, but you can see a lot of movement.
Yeah. Oh,
and there she goes.
Down.
That was Mama, and now the babies are moving around in there.
Yep.
I have no idea how visible this is on camera, but the babies keep coming in and out of the nest. Those are babies up there right now. The parents aren't there.
Yep.
And like I said earlier, I saw 3 little heads.
Yeah.
So I think there's just 3. Wow, a lot of movement up there. It is the morning of June 8th, and that's when I've been seeing the babies out of the nest for the first time. I don't know. We're going to be away all day today, so I don't know if we're going to see them again. I don't know if they're going to leave the nest today or what. I don't know how this works. But before we leave, I'll get as much decent footage as I can. I may have gotten all that I can get at this point. But yeah, I'm so excited. But I need to go take my shower and get ready for the day. Oh, Mama Bird just came back. Really, really cute. And through the binoculars, I was able to see them open their mouths and getting fed. It was so cool. It was so stinking cool. So, I don't know. Now there's 2 of them out of the nest together. So cool. Okay, I gotta go get my shower. And Mama is back feeding them. I just saw their mouths wide open. I don't think it's translating on video well at all. But she's up there feeding them. Oh, and there she goes. And now there's 2 of them. 2 of them sitting out of the nest. The 3rd one must... nope, I can see the 3rd one now. But I don't know if you guys can see it on video or not. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. It is June 13th. The babies left the nest on the 8th. And this morning, I'm seeing the parents come back to the nest. Wow. There's one of them now. I think that's the male. Yeah. And he just flew back up. And he just flew back out. Good morning. They're back. And upon further review, I have discovered these are house sparrows. And apparently they will lay more than 1 brood a year. Like, they'll just continuously lay. So maybe we're going to have more babies up there. I had no idea. I thought all of my entertainment was gone. And no, they're back. It is Monday, June 17th. And the birds have fixed up that nest pretty good. There were like some holes and stuff in it, but they've reinforced it. They've been taking stuff up there. I just saw Mama Bird up there a minute ago, and then she flew away. So hopefully in the next couple weeks or so, we'll be hearing some more babies up there. that was it for now. The nest is right back there behind me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will have another update. Hopefully it'll just be like seeing the babies out of the nest again. I don't know what it'll be, but we will have some sort of other update. And I'm still waiting for those doves to hatch their eggs. I have a feeling they're hatched and they're just in there with them. I'm not quite sure how doves work. I'm gonna have to try to research that a little. But yeah, hopefully we'll see some dove babies soon. And that's it, guys. We're Spencer's Ventures. We're going to see you in the next video. And we are out of here. Bye.